Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of 15th block, which is shape properties, isn't it, children? And in this, we have learned the triangle properties, quadrilateral properties, and circle properties. Yes, now let's see the fourth topic, which is constructing shapes. Okay, so in this, the first question is what are the similarities and differences between the given shapes? That means here they have given some shapes, you have to write the similarities and differences. Okay, so first one is square and equilateral triangle. So in an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal and all three angles are equal, which measure 60 degrees, isn't it, children? And in square, all the sides are equal. So in both of them, similarity is all sides are equal, isn't it? Now coming to differences, a square has four sides, isn't it? And an equilateral triangle has only three sides. Yes, and in a square, the angle measures 90 degrees. All angles are equal, but angle measures 90 degrees. Okay, here also all angles are equal and it measures 60 degrees. That means the degrees are different, but angles are same. So in similarities, you can write all sides and angles are equal. Okay, or you can write all sides are equal, or you can write all angles are equal, or you can combine both. Okay, next one, rectangle and isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, children, means two sides equal, isn't it, children? And in a rectangle, two sides, opposite sides are equal. That means the two sides will be equal. One set of sides, two sides will be equal, the other side will be equal. That means both sleeping lines will be equal, both standing lines will be equal, two sides will be equal. That becomes the similarity, isn't it, children? Two sides are equal. Yes, next, differences. If you write the differences, rectangle has four sides, isosceles triangle has three sides. Here in a rectangle, all angles are equal, which measures 90 degrees, isn't it, children? All angles are 90 degrees, all angles are equal. Coming to isosceles triangle, two angles are only equal. Okay, if you learn the properties of isosceles triangle, then you can understand this point. Two angles are equal. Okay, let's see the next question. Construct a square with length of each side equal to 5 centimeters. Square is all sides equal. Here the length they have given 5 centimeters. So that means a square with 5 centimeters. Isn't it, children? So for this you need a ruler to measure and draw 5 centimeters line segment. Isn't it, children? So let's place the ruler and draw the 5 centimeters. Yes. Next you will place the ruler, the scale, in such a way that one end of the line coincides with 5, and from 0 you will draw the line 5 centimeters. Okay, next again you will remove from here and place it in the other direction. Now 5 you will coincide with the previous line and draw a line from 0 to 5. Again you will remove from here and place it the other side, the remaining side. Now 5 centimeters you will draw 5 centimeters. Now you will remove the scale. Now all the sides are 5 centimeters. So you will mention 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Now all sides are equal means it is a square. That is, we have constructed a square which is whose length is 5 centimeters. Isn't it, children? Next. Three-sided shape with all sides equal. Three-sided means it is a triangle. And all sides equal means it is an equilateral triangle. Children, here they said draw three-sided shape with all sides equal. But they did not mention what is the length of the side we have to take. Okay, that means you can take any length, but all three sides should be equal. So here I have taken 4 centimeters, children. So let me draw the 4 centimeters. So here it is the 4 centimeters, the base. So place the ruler and draw a line segment which is 4 centimeters. So children, here because they did not mention the length, I have taken 4 centimeters. You can go with 5 or 3 or 2 or 8 or 10, your wish. Okay, so 4 centimeters I have drawn. Now I'll remove the ruler from here and place it in such a way that 0 coincides with one end of the line which we have drawn already, and I'll draw a line segment which is 4 centimeters. Okay, now I'll remove, and now I have to join these two points, isn't it, children? Yes, but when I draw it, it should be 4 centimeters. That we have to make sure of it. Okay, now let me place the roller. Now 0 to 4, let me draw the line. It should be 4 centimeters. If the length, the last line, if it is less or more, try to adjust so that all the other sides which we have drawn also, so that the last line is 4 centimeters when you measure. Okay, that means whichever measure you have taken. Okay, remove the scale and mention 4 centimeters on all three sides like this. Okay, children, so in this way you need to construct the shapes. But and also if angles are given, okay, for example, draw a three-sided shape with measure two angles equal and length of two sides equal. Okay, there you have to use the protractor also. Okay, children, so you have to place the protractor. You know how to draw the angles, isn't it, children? So 45 degrees, 45 degrees if you take on both sides of a triangle, and you need to draw the extend the lines where the two lines meet, and that point will be the third point, third corner. Okay, in that way you have to draw. Okay, here let me see here, children, in your content book page number 98, set 4 constructing shapes you have. Okay, so here construct the shapes with the given properties, name the shapes they have given. So in this I have, let us read those. Three-sided shape with measure two angles equal and length of the two sides equal. So here we have drawn only according to the sides. So when you are considering the angles, two angles equal, then you have to use the protractor, draw the angle, and then you have to check. Okay, so if you have to name it three-sided shape with two angles equal and two sides equal, that becomes an isosceles triangle. So you have to write isosceles triangle over there. Okay, then three-sided shape with length of all sides equal, that we have done just now. Okay, so that becomes an equilateral triangle. So you have to write equilateral triangle. A four-sided shape with opposite sides equal and all angles equal, that will be equal to 90 degrees. This is a rectangle, opposite sides equal, no, rectangle. So like previous one, we have constructed a square, but it should be a rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. Six-sided shape with all sides equal. So drawing a six-sided shape will be little difficult for you, children. So now leave it the six-sided shape. But what is a six-sided shape called as? Hexagon. Okay, write the name as hexagon. Okay, now write the similarities which this we have already done, children. Construct a hexagon. Hexagon is six-sided, which will be difficult for you. So leave hexagon and construct a square with the length each side equal to 5 centimeters. We have already done that here, isn't it, children? So do these sums which I have given in your daily schedule and which I have explained in the note video. Do it in your classwork. Others, you just recollect that it is a isosceles triangle, is it a rectangle. Looking at that, you should be able to name the shape. Okay, so do that, children. Try to recollect the names of the shapes when a description is given, like the 19th question a b c d. If I have given some description, you should be able to tell us which shape it is. Okay, so do this in your classwork. Try to recollect all the shapes, children. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 38, S4, constructing shapes. Okay, so with this we will be completing our block, children. So in the next class I'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.